Hey everyone, in today's 2-minute quick lesson, we are learning what the HTML elements are and how they build every web page. So, basically, first of all, we will know about the HTML elements. What is that? That's the explanation. So, that is the element is everything from the opening tag, the content to the closing tag. Here the example is, first of all, here the P, and between this thing, this is the paragraph. So the thing has been here. So first of all, we will do this thing again. Here the copy paste, and in below we'll take this. See, the thing has been here, P for paragraph. Then, so here P is the element opening tag, and the last hash slash P forward slash P is the last closing tag. And there are two types of elements. There is the block label elements and the inline elements. So let's take again what is the block label element. So here the heading, this is the heading, this is called block label, as well as the P, that means paragraph, and div. So see, this is the div, that means this is the one kinds of block label elements. So take up the full width of the page. So the now the inline element. So inline element, we can here space, see, from the here is pane A, that means A the reference. So when you click this thing, so just click and we will go to the another page. See, then the empty elements. So how we will define the empty elements? So the empty element is here, this is the important, this thing, this here. So HTML elements are the building block of all website. Master this and you are one stop closer to pro web development. So like, comment and subscribe for more 2 minutes date lesson. See you next time.